What is greatest common factor in polynomials? Or shall we say, the greatest common divisor if we're dealing with integers? For example, 8 and 20. So what are the factors of 8? It's 8 and 1 and 4 and 2. Solves to 8. How about 20? 4 and 5, 20 and 1, then 10 and 2. Right? So we are now considering those factors. So for those two integers, 8 and 20, we will find their common divisor. So 8, there is no factor for 20. So we have to disregard the 8. About 1, of course 1, obviously it will be the smallest, right? So our goal is for the greatest common. So we'll proceed now from 8, we'll proceed to the next number, 4. 4 times 2 equals 8, and 4 times 5 equals 20. So they have now one common, okay? That is 4. The greatest common factor of 8 and 20 is 4. 4 times 2 equals 8, and 4 times 5 equals 20. We will apply now to polynomials because we're going close to simplifying algebraic expressions. We'll start factoring. We'll get the factors. Dito po sa series of short clips natin, isa-isahin po natin yung mga ways how to get the factors. First, greatest common factor in dealing with polynomials, we will find the largest monomial. Or you can say that it is a factor of each term of the polynomial. Let us try to find the greatest common factor of this polynomial. 32x squared plus 8x. We can apply these tips to easily find the GCF on this. We have the parts of the term. We have the coefficient and the variable bearing exponent. 8x is the smallest term than 32x squared. Dito, makikita natin yung coefficient na 8 is less than 32. Mag-choose po tayo ng isa na factor dun sa coefficient. Mag-choose po din tayo ng isa na factor dun sa variable na common sa lahat ng terms. If ever the smallest coefficient is also the factor of the other coefficients of the terms, it will be the greatest common coefficient of the factor. Okay, we will now set aside the 8 because 32 divided by 8 results to whole number or integer 4. So, okay, we will now inspect the variables. In dealing with variables, we are going to choose the exponent po niya ang pinakamaliit. We are now going to exclude the power of 0 because that equals 1. Okay, take note, same base po tayo. In this example, same po sila ng base, x, right? So, we will now choose least exponent. We have x raised to the power of 1. Dapat walang denominator na makikita. So, it's considered 1 po ang denominator natin. Choose the least exponent of the variable. This one, we have x and x squared. Ano po yung maliit? Yung x raised to the power of 1, right? Imagine mayroon lang 1. So, we will choose now x. Let's test. X squared divided by x is x. Quotient rule. Same base. X raised to the power of 2 minus 1 equals, subtract po natin yung exponent basta same po ng base. So, it will result to x. Wala pong denominator. Correct. Sa variable na medyo ang easy lang talaga kasi exponent lang po yung tingnan natin. That is, x has exponent of 1, which is also the common factor to other terms variable. Diba? Ang variable sa ating terms is x with the power of 2. So, common siya. We can get 8x. So, 8x is the greatest common factor of the binomial 32x squared plus 8x. Okay? Math is not exactly hard to learn. Handouts is available in our YouTube. You can download that one. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Explain Explore.